This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can change the stick mode in this drone. So at the start, enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, launch settings by tapping at the three horizontal buttons you'll find at the top right corner of the interface. Then select the third category, that is remote controller settings, and enter the stick mode selection. And here you can change your stick mode or control mode between mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, or custom, that allows you to, rearrange the controls as you please, change them around maybe. So press the custom button to do that, and then just move the tiles as you see fit. Once you're ready to save the preset, just press apply, and here you have it. So, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.